Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick Gaska and welcome back to I Can Do That DIY for another doll repaint video. Today I'm going to be customizing Honey, the doll that I designed and created myself. Today's doll is going to be a special one because it's actually a commission. The character I'll be doing for this commission is from Scooby-Doo, and in my opinion the best character, Daphne Blake. I personally love Daphne so much. She's so stylish and iconic. Over the years, there have been many different versions of Daphne. Usually I'm a big fan of most of them. But for my version of Daphne, I'll use an edited version of my Darling face mold. I did one test face-up on the original Darling face and I thought the bone structure was a little too severe for Daphne, so I decided to edit it slightly. For this doll, I'll be using the little Honey size, which is 75% the size of my regular Honey size. Off screen, I'll 3D print and prep the doll. But before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest projects. If you haven't already checked out the website, go check it out. www.thehoneydoll.com. There are a bunch of different options on the website for you to explore. You can purchase a stock honey or customize your very own. There's always new things being added to the shop, so make sure to keep an eye out. Currently there are new faces, new hands, new magnetized hands, and new painted eyes. Go check out the website now to get your hands on them. Alright, now let's get to the project. Here's how the face turned out after it was 3D printed. I think she looks pretty cute. Now let's start with the face up. I'll start by laying out the eye with a watercolor pencil. Then I'll move on to using various pastels, watercolor pencils, and acrylic paint. I'll gradually build up color and dimension as I go and then seal my work with a layer of Mr. Super Clear. Once I'm all finished up with the face, I'll move on to the eyelashes. For the eyelashes, as usual, I'll be using Kiss brand faux eyelashes. For a smaller size doll, I like to use the Style Shy. Once I take them off the packaging, I'll pick off all the excess glue. Then I'll measure them and cut them to the right length. I'll add some quick dry tacky glue to the eye and to the eyelash. Then I'll just stick it on. Once I'm happy with the position, I'll do the other side. Then I'll set it aside to dry. Once that's all dry, I'll gloss the eyes and the lips with a UV top coat. I'll brush it on with a nail brush so it's more precise. Once it's all brushed on, I'll cure it with some UV light. Alright, next up is making the wig. I've already prepped everything I need to make the wig. Here's the wig cap, and I've already painted it orange as a base. For the hair, I'll be using an acrylic yarn weft. I'll just glue them on starting at the bottom. I'll let the glue dry and slowly work my way towards the top. Alright, let's pause here and make the headband. For the headband, I'll be using craft foam, fabric, and some glue. I'll add some glue to the foam, and then add the fabric. I'll add some glue to the back and cut some tabs and fold those over as well. After that's all dry, I'll add it to the wig to finish it up. Well, it's mostly finished. Now I just need to cut the bang and style the rest of the hair. However, I'll do most of the styling off screen. Next up is the shoes. I'll be painting them with my airbrush so that the color goes on nice and smooth. I'll do a few coats and do a clear coat off screen. Next up is sewing the outfit. For her outfit, I decided to do the classic Daphne look. I'll start by sewing together the color blocked portion of the skirt. Then I'll move on to the bodice, and then I'll connect both pieces. This is super fiddly work, but in the end it looks really good. It's actually super fiddly because it's for the little size honeys. I'll do this same process for the back pieces. There's actually two sides, but I'll just be showing the one side. Once I sew both sides, I'll connect the two back pieces to the front at the shoulder seams. I'll just sew the seam and then cut off the excess. Then I'll do the other side. After that, I'll finish the sleeve edge with a cuff. I'll finish the neckline edge with a facing. Alright, next I'll sew the underarm seams and the side seam. I'll start at the sleeve opening and pivot at the underarm and go down the side seam. Then I'll finish the hemline opening with a facing. Off screen, I'll finish up the dress with the Velcro closure at the back. Also off screen, I'll finish up the entire outfit by making the socks and the scarf around the neck. And with that, the doll's complete. So here she is, here's the finished result. Oh my god, Daphne turned out so adorable. She's so little compared to all my other honeys, it just makes her extra adorable in my eyes. Overall, I'm super happy with the result. Doing a smaller size honey was super extra fiddly, but it turned out pretty good. The extra fiddliness was actually the main reason why I didn't film the scarf. It was just super extra fiddly and it was kind of impossible to film. I didn't include the sock footage because I've done socks a million times and I didn't want to bore you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like Daphne. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So far, I'll be doing 2 more members of the mystery gang coming up. Try to guess which ones. Thank you so much for watching, and for the rest of the video, enjoy the photos. Thanks again for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!